our day off. As you can see, we have a lot of work in front of us. That's a lot of laundry. We still have one more load in the dryer. Sun is shining bright. We're about to go out, maybe for a little walk or something, but we're gonna get this done first. Bye. Alright guys, as you can see, we are doing a little bit of deep cleaning today. So we'll see the end of the couch pretty soon. I haven't been sitting on that couch for about a week and a half, so I'm excited to actually sit down on my couch again. We just finished making coffee. We're gonna do a lot of cleaning, a lot of laundry stuff today before we head out. And I just did all the dishes by hand. So our coffee for today, another day with Corey and Brian. She's upset with me putting all the laundry together. I'm the type of guy that put everything all in one.
You put your whites with your blacks with the jeans with the bed sheets, and if there's towels you throw that in there too.
No, you can take out the bed sheets. I didn't put them together with bed sheets. So guys, leave a comment below if you think what I'm doing is totally wrong.
It is.
And leave a comment below if Corey is over exaggerated. At the end of the day, everything's gonna get clean or not. She's not happy with Corey and Brian. Alright, so this is how Corey likes her coffee. Right here. She's about to mix it in, guys. And this is how Brian likes his coffee. This? No, just that. Straight from the pot. This is what you do on the reg. And you guys can probably relate. Straight up black coffee for someone, and the other one always mix it with sugar and cream and milk. So it's just a two style of drinking. My philosophy is that I don't like to add calories to my drinks. I like it to have it.
Have alcohol.
Only if it has alcohol. That's it, guys. She caught me on that one. So she's adding condensed milk. She's adding almond milk. She's adding sugar.
Well, I didn't add sugar. Like, it's either or. I didn't add the sugar just because I put condensed.
Well, there you have it.
And I could have just put condensed, but I do want almond milk too, so.
Coffee only have about 5 calories. But one of the rules I do live by, guys, I don't like to drink my calories. And she's gonna make some scrambled eggs right here. And we're gonna do a little quesadilla, scrambled eggs with cheese, with ham, and with this crema, guys. This thing right here is a must. It's been about 1.5 weeks that we've been just leaving our clothes on the couch and putting them on when we needed to. So we haven't hung up our clothes because life just been going at us kind of fast. She's super excited. Ooh! Alright guys, we're getting ready to go out.
Banana break.
And I'm currently uploading a YouTube video. And after we finish doing that, we'll be heading out.
Anything you want to say about the weather? So this is my hair after the wind blew it out. Good thing I laid my hair with extreme gel, because if not, it would have been crazy.
Hi guys. So we're heading out to Lake Atlanta.
Yeah.
Beautiful scenery that you can go just walk in the park at. It's very beautiful. You guys gonna get to see it live in person.
Get a taste, Miami, you can get a taste, Oakland, you can get
What a beautiful day today, guys. We finally got out the winter storm. My baby's ready, excited for her workout.
I feel like my skin is very
Glowing, babe.
I'm glowing. You don't know what I'm talking about, the movie Little Rascals?
Ooh, little Karaima over here. And we're at Disney Channel.
I'm watching Disney Channel.
They're having a hard time swimming, you guys. The current is just so strong. Oh, they come up. Oh, they did come up. Guys, it's like we're about to walk into a movie scene. Guys, we never get to see those beautiful waves. I feel like we're in Florida or some East Coast, West Coast where you're right near the beach. I like this jungle right here. It's like we're in a movie or something.
What? I'm a movie star? Stop it.
Maybe a little star.
With this skin,
You're a little star.
I should be a movie star with this.
Well, help her, you guys. Help her. I don't want to fall. Well, here we are at the end of the trail. We're about to go back around the mountains. Oh, I can actually feel the water splashing on me. Oh wow, that wind just went super silent on me. Oh my goodness. Guys, the wind just went super silent on me. It knocked me back a few steps. Not gonna lie, I almost dropped my phone. Hey stranger, how you doing? We are sitting out on a bench in front of this beautiful view. I can just stare at this all day. I feel like I'm on a vacation, guys. I'm escaping. This is, guys, when Goku does this, instant transmission.
Transmission?
We're in Miami. We're in Long Island, New York. Oh, look at the wind, you guys. I wasn't joking when they go Super Saiyan 3. It's not a lie. Oh my gosh, Corey's running without me telling her to. Oh wow, she stopped. In the car, run up the hill. Whoa, guys, this is gonna be a little trippy if you walk on this trail during Halloween time. This is one of my favorite part of the trail. Oh, 3 of them. Wow. Corey wants a dog.
I got some time off, girl, it's been so long. Did you have fun? Cause I needed care just to get me on.
Look at this, guys. This is one of my favorite part of the trail right here. The beautiful walk, the walkway, the runway, what you gonna call this? The dog did, but Corey didn't. As you can see, her hair is sticking up in the wind, guys. She got a little bird nest hair going on. I think there might be 3 little birdies in there.
Maybe that's what it is. 3 birds. One husband and a mistress.
So guys, we just walk on the other side of the trail, as you can see, all the way the other side. So guys, this is her very first workout video, just walking the trail. She finally finished the trail after many attempts.
Guys, we're heading out of the lake. It was great. The day today is awesome, and then it is extremely windy supposedly. It's
perfect for working out though. I'm feeling great right now.
Alright guys, so we just got here to Target. I love it.
We're here looking for studio lights and she's already distracted. Off to a great start. Happy place, you guys. She's getting stuff in the cart. It's not the same as online. That Instacart. We got some shoe racks. Guys, we are about to organize our studio. Guys, right when you walk in, you see $5 wines, and I couldn't help myself grabbing 2 of them. But you know, they put 2 wine at the door. How can I say no? It's $5. Let's get going, babe.
That's it. Alright.
Yeah, rugs. So we are gonna look for rugs for the studio office, guys. We're gonna make it like home. A day of shopping with Corey. She doesn't want to leave you guys. Not until the cart is full.
Alright guys, so we here back on the road. We're gonna go eat right now. Kind of a weird day because Brian hasn't say no to me to anything that I got, so it's very strange.
So have you decided what to get? Alright guys, I think I'm gonna go with House of Mamacita Margarita.
You can definitely taste the numero tequila.
And I got my old fashioned right here, guys. Love it. First course, I got the Caesar salad. She got the house salad. It looks good. Artichokes, olives, tomatoes. What did you get again? Fettuccine with chicken?
There you go.
Thank you.
Frame this up for you. There you go.
Thank you. Got the pappardella.
Baby, look at this. I'm excited.
Carpet shopping, you guys. Look at all these price tags. Corey's about to drop some Benjamins in here. She got her carpet. We got our carpet.